In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 screen recording not working. If your screen recording controls are unresponsive, missing, or the record button is grayed out, the quickest fix is to fully restart the Xbox Game Bar process and then relaunch it. Windows uses Xbox Game Bar behind the scenes for screen capture, so refreshing it often clears temporary glitches. Start by opening Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl, Shift, and S key together on your keyboard. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, click More Details to expand it. Make sure you're on the Processes tab. Now look for Xbox Game Bar or a process named gamebar.exe. Depending on your system, it might appear under Apps if the overlay was open recently, or under Background Processes if it's running quietly in the background. If you don't see it right away, use the search box at the top of Task Manager and type Game Bar, or sort the list by name to bring similar items together. Once you've found Xbox Game Bar or gamebar.exe, right-click it and choose End Task. If you see more than one Game Bar entry, end each one the same way. This doesn't uninstall anything or change your settings. It simply forces the app and its services to close so they can start clean. Give it a second to disappear from the list and confirm there are no remaining Game Bar items. With the process fully closed, it's time to reopen the overlay. Press the Windows key and G together. You should see the Xbox Game Bar overlay slide in, along with the capture widget. This relaunch refreshes its background services and usually restores the screen recording feature so it can detect your game or app properly and initialize the encoder again. If the overlay doesn't appear the first time, make sure you're on the desktop or in the app you want to record, then press Windows and G once more. When the overlay is visible, you'll typically notice the record controls become responsive again. That's all there is to it. Ending the Xbox Game Bar task and reopening it is a safe, fast way to resolve most cases where screen recording on Windows 11 stops working, refuses to start, or seems stuck. Keep this shortcut in mind anytime the capture tools act up, especially after waking from sleep, switching displays, or closing demanding apps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple refresh gets your recordings running smoothly again.